President Obama is investing $100 million in taxpayer money to map the human brain. But what exactly are scientists looking for? Our Dr. Sanjay Gupta takes a tour of a brain map lab at UCLA run by Dr. Arthur Toga.
How much progress have you made in neuroimaging, say, over the last 10 years?
I think it's been amazing because the technology to acquire detailed images of structure and function has been unprecedented. We can look at very small regions as small as a millimeter or even smaller in a living human individual, and we can relate not only what we see in terms of its anatomy, that person's anatomy, but how it works.
The function.
The function, how those cells are interacting with other regions in the brain to allow that person to behave.
This is pretty spectacular. What are we looking at?
You're looking at tracks. You're looking at the fibers themselves that connect different regions. And it allows us to see what region is connected to where and how much of a connection is there.
When we talk about function, like movement and sensation, people, they generally understand that. But what about things that are a little bit more nebulous? Self-awareness, happiness, pain, reward. Is this going to help better identify those areas of the brain?
I hope so. Obviously, one has to start with a cruder map initially. It's just like making a map of the Earth. We create a coordinate system, we find where the continents are, but now we can, with our GPS systems, we can find specific roads. We can even look at the amount of traffic on those roads. So that's a very good analogy because it holds when we're studying the human brain as well. We first have to create these big maps that show us the overall picture of how the brain is wired, but then we go down and look at the finer detail.
What does this mean for the average person?
I think it's very important for us to undertake a challenge like this because we suffer from a number of neurological disorders. The population is getting older. There's an increased percentage of people that have Alzheimer's disease, for example. This kind of science lays the foundation for us to look for targeted therapies and really is instructive in terms of improving the health and well-being of everyone.
And